Welcome to the Classroom Hotlines instructional video series for the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill. In this video, we'll go over the new Extron AV control systems, which are new in some classrooms for the fall 2024 semester. Prior to being upgraded, most classrooms used an all-in-one monitor for both controlling the AV environment and viewing a preview window of the presentation materials. The new design splits this into separate screens, a larger, higher resolution monitor for video preview, and a smaller touch panel for controlling the projected sources, lights, volume, and other devices in the room. To begin, press anywhere on the Extron touch panel. This will take you to the AV main menu, where you can select the source you'd like to use. The source that is currently selected will then be displayed on the preview monitor. Pressing the display button will then send that source to the projector or LCD display in your room. Please note that some smaller, conference-style classrooms may not have a preview monitor, and sending the selected source to the display is the only way to see it. This button will also route the source's audio to the room's speakers. The volume of the speakers can be adjusted using either the volume buttons, the slider, or the mute button on the right side of the touch panel. To blank the image going to the projector without turning the projector off, press the Image Blank button. The image can then be returned to the screen by pressing the Display button or pressing the Image Blank button again. More detailed controls for the projector and projector screen are available by pressing the Settings wheel below the Display button. Lights and window shades can be controlled by pressing on the light bulb icon in the lower left of the touch panel. To use the cameras and room microphones for a web conference or classroom recording, press the Camera Controls button in the lower right corner of the touch panel. This will cause the camera controls to appear on the touch panel and the selected camera source to be displayed on the preview monitor. Camera positions can then be adjusted using the Pan, Tilt, and Zoom buttons as needed. Switching camera sources will change the selected camera to be displayed both on the preview monitor and the source that is sent to the PC. Presets for camera positions can be created by pressing and holding on the preset numbers, which can then be recalled with a short press on each number. When you close the camera pop-up window, the preview monitor will return to the previously selected source. Microphones can be muted by selecting the microphone icon in the lower right corner and pressing the mute icons for the audience or instructor mics. To control the Blu-ray player, press the Blu-ray source, then press the Blu-ray controls icon on the left, which will display a pop-up window with all available controls for your disc. When finished with the room, log out of the in-house computer, press the power icon in the lower left corner, then press the red Confirm button to shut the room down. This will help the next instructor by ensuring that the room has been rebooted and returned to its original state for their class. If at any time you're having trouble using any of the technology in the room, pick up the hotline phone and one of our tech support specialists will assist you quickly.